What's up, YouTube? I'm not sponsored, but I just ordered me something from vevor. You might think it's nice. Here's the box. I'm gonna attempt a nice cut right here. Let's get all this stuff all the way off of there. Give you a good little sneak peek of what it is. Oh, yeah. Fair warning, it was definitely a little heavy. Pop the top. Contents inside. Fair warning, when you get it, check it a little bit. I don't know, a little used. Assembly time. $80, 750 pound weight limit, 17-inch socket, 17-inch combo wrench, and she's all done. It was actually a nice box.